If AI is the brain, nanotechnology is the body, forming the invisible workforce of your future home. Imagine billions of microscopic workers seamlessly embedded into every surface of your living space. These aren't robots, you see. They are molecular machines, constantly active, yet completely imperceptible. Their primary directive: to maintain a state of pristine perfection. A spilled drink on the kitchen counter? Before it can even spread, nanobots instantly repel the liquid, coalescing it into a neat, easily wiped bead. No more scrubbing, no more stains. A tiny scratch on a wall, a hairline fracture in the ceiling. These microscopic engineers detect the damage and initiate immediate, self-healing repairs. The surface seals itself shut, much like a living organism healing a wound, leaving no trace of imperfection. The air you breathe is no longer just filtered, it's purified at a molecular level. Nanoparticles actively neutralize pollutants, allergens, and pathogens, ensuring every breath you take is of the highest quality. You won't see these tireless workers, but you will profoundly feel their presence. The result is a home that perpetually maintains itself, a sanctuary of effortless cleanliness and perfect order. The days of arduous chores and constant upkeep become a distant memory. This self-sustaining environment frees up your time and energy, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. And what about power? The clutter of cords, the endless search for an available outlet, the frustration of a dead battery all become relics of a bygone era. In this future home, energy flows through the very fabric of your environment, much like Wi-Fi signals permeate the air. Every room is a wireless charging zone, a seamless field of power. Your smartphone, your tablet, your smartwatch, even larger appliances, they are all continuously and invisibly powered. There are no plugs to seek, no charging pads to meticulously align. Simply exist within your home, and your devices remain perpetually ready. This isn't just about convenience, it's about liberation from the physical constraints of power. Imagine placing your laptop anywhere on your desk, and it charges. Your electric vehicle, parked in the garage, silently replenishes its battery. The entire infrastructure of your home becomes a living power grid, efficiently distributing energy where and when it's needed most. This seamless power integration ensures that your life remains constantly ready, uninterrupted by the mundane necessity of finding a plug. It's a testament to how deeply integrated technology becomes, not as an add-on, but as an intrinsic, invisible layer of existence. The home transforms into an ecosystem where every element, from the air you breathe to the power that fuels your devices, is optimized for your well-being and convenience. This invisible workforce and seamless power are not futuristic fantasies. They are the logical evolution of our technological capabilities. The pieces are already here, in various stages of development and deployment. The question isn't if this will happen, but how quickly it will become ubiquitous. And, more importantly, how fast you, as an individual, will be ready to embrace it. This isn't just about upgrading your house, it's about upgrading your entire way of living. It's about stepping into a future where your environment actively works for you, anticipating your needs and silently enhancing your every moment. Welcome home, to a world where maintenance is invisible and power is as abundant and unnoticeable as the air itself. The future has been waiting for you, meticulously crafted by unseen hands and powered by an omnipresent, silent energy. It's a home that cares for itself and, by extension, for you. A place where friction is eliminated and life flows with unparalleled ease. This is the promise of the invisible workforce and seamless power. It's a foundation for a life of effortless comfort and constant readiness, no longer constrained by wires or the need for manual upkeep. Your home becomes a truly self-sufficient, intelligent entity, a testament to human ingenuity, working tirelessly in the background, preparing you for whatever the day may bring, without a single visible effort. As the intelligence foundation of our future homes takes shape, powered by AI, a complementary force emerges to bring these smart spaces to life. Nanotechnology, With artificial intelligence serving as the brain, nanotechnology seamlessly steps in as the body of this advanced dwelling. Imagine billions of microscopic workers, unseen yet ever present, embedded within every surface of your home. These tiny, tireless entities are the silent guardians of your living space. They work ceaselessly, maintaining an impeccable environment. Cleaning becomes an archaic chore, a relic of a bygone era, as these nanobots meticulously scrub and polish, leaving no speck of dust or grime behind. Repairing minor wear and tear is equally effortless. A tiny scratch on the wall, a loose floorboard, the nanobots detect it instantly and begin the intricate process of restoration, mending imperfections with astonishing precision. But their capabilities extend beyond mere aesthetics. They are also the unseen purifiers of the air you breathe, filtering out pollutants, allergens, and even airborne pathogens. They ensure a perpetually pristine and healthy atmosphere, all without any visible effort or intervention from you. This invisible workforce ensures a perpetually pristine and healthy environment, eliminating the need for manual upkeep, freeing up countless hours that were once dedicated to chores. Furthermore, the future home liberates itself from the constraints of traditional power sources. Gone are the days of tangled cords and inconvenient outlets. Energy flows wirelessly throughout the entire space, much like Wi-Fi, creating an invisible web of power. Every device, every system receives constant power effortlessly and efficiently without the clutter of cords or the perpetual hunt for an available plug. This seamless integration of AI and nanotechnology creates a self-sustaining, effortlessly functional living space. The home anticipates your needs, not just intellectually, but physically, ensuring comfort and convenience at every turn. The pieces of this extraordinary future are not distant dreams. They are already emerging, taking shape in laboratories and design studios. They invite us to embrace a new way of living, a life where our homes are not just structures, but intelligent, responsive partners in our daily existence. A world where the mundane tasks of maintenance vanish, replaced by an environment that actively contributes to our well-being. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in domesticity, a profound shift in how we interact with our most personal spaces. The future home, a harmonious blend of mind and matter, stands ready to redefine comfort, efficiency, and health. It's a testament to human ingenuity, pushing the boundaries of what a living space can truly be. No longer a passive shelter, but an active participant, a silent, diligent companion on our life's journey. The promise of a perpetually pristine and powered environment is no longer science fiction. It is the blueprint for our tomorrow, a future where every surface, every breath is optimized for our ultimate comfort and health. This evolution is not merely about technology. It's about reclaiming our time and energy, allowing us to focus on what truly matters. The home becomes a sanctuary of effortless living, a testament to the power of intelligent design. A new era of domestic bliss awaits.